to finish this sketch off, we need to use offset entities in a little bit different way than we're used to. We're going to use offset entities to 1, make our original sketch the center line of the offset sketch, and 2, offset on both sides of the sketch, and 3, cap the ends of our offset sketch. So to get started, I'm going to go to the Offset Entities tool, which is on the Sketch tab of the Command Manager. And then I'm going to click just one of my lines that I want to offset. I only have to click one because the rest of them are tangent to each other. So SOLIDWORKS collects all tangent entities. This is a property called tangent propagation, or selecting the chain of entities that is within the sketch. So, to get the sketch to offset on both sides, you have to make sure that bi-directional in the property manager is checked. You see how my bi-directional is checked. If it's unchecked, it only shows up on one side, but you need to check yours so that it shows up on both sides. The second thing we want to do is cap the ends. What capping the end does is it puts a little cap on each end of our offset sketch, because when we offset, there is still this open area that is left open. Our capped ends are not going to be arcs though, they're going to be lines. So in the property manager of the offset entities, make sure to click on the lines bubble instead of the arcs bubble. Finally, we're going to ensure that our original sketch becomes all construction geometry or center lines. So to do that, there's a construction geometry option in the property manager of offset entities. We check the box for our base geometry. Our base geometry is the geometry that we started out with. So all that base geometry that we started out with is going to become construction geometry. Those are going to become center lines. Before I confirm the offset entities, I'm going to set the size, which is 0.25. And then I will confirm the Offset Entities tool. And there we have a fully functioning sketch that is fully defined. I have dimensions that have been added to control the amount of offset for each side of my original sketch. I can change these at any time if there's ever a design change.